Another serious road accident occurred in Bulawayo which left 1 man dead and 2 others seriously injured. Kusangana kwatikuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZimutiness TV, pandinodzoka nema-updates akasiyana-siyana, uye ndinoti kana kari kekutanga kusvika pano ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe neevery update yandinokanda pano nguva nenguva. Ladies and gentlemen, ndadzoka zvakare with a sad news update yabuda iyo nekubulawayo apo mumwe murume ashaya then vamwe 2 vake vaanga ainavo vakuvara zvakaipisisa. According to reports and eyewitness from Bulawayo, panyorwa ipo pakanzi a gruesome road accident has occurred at an intersection along Sherwood Drive at Woodlands and 12th Avenue extension between a white Mercedes C200 and a white Isuzu vehicle belonging to a local company. Authorities on the ground say one person is found dead while the injured passengers were ferried to a local hospital. Aya ndiwo mashoko anyorwa iyo achitaurwa netsaona yemumugwagwa yaitika iyo munzvimbo yeBulawayo yasiya mumwe murume afa uye vamwe vake 2 vakuwara vamhanyiswa muchipatara. Muri yeZimbabwe, this is August, ndiwo mwedzi unosimudzwa mhepo dzemumadzinza. Dai tambofambawo zvakanaka mumigwagwa umu nekuti kumhanya handi kusvika, chakakosha upenyu. Tiri papo mune imwe nyaya yandinayo, inyaya yakadiscusswa muparliament nemakurukota ehurumende pamusoro pemadhiski emitero yemota ari kunzi iwo cover vehicle license, radio license and insurance zvinofanirwa kuiswa padhiski 1 kuti mawindow screen ange achigara akachena, pongoiswa a single disk, not kugara paine mapapers hobo. This question was directly goes to Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development, but people of Zimbabwe come out nemaonero avo akasiyana-siyana about this issue yakadiscusswa iyo parliament during question and answer session. Parizvino I'm going to play your video racho, then after the video ndichakupai maonero emhuri yeZimbabwe about this issue.
My question is directed to the Minister for Transport and Infrastructural Development. Madam Speaker, with the enactment of the Broadcasting Services Amendment Act, if you go around Southern Africa and across the world, you will not see any windscreen that has multiple discs on it. Now that all the insurance, ZBC and Zinara are all now synchronized, can the minister tell us what is government policy on ensuring that we have one integrated disc that will just make it very nice and also easy for drivers to see their windscreens? I thank you.
Honorable Minister of Transport.
Thank you, Honorable Madam Speaker, ma'am. And let me also thank my brother, Honorable Mutero, for that very important question. Indeed, we don't want our windscreens to be cluttered, and I'm happy that this is now coming from this house, the legislature, and encouraging us to move and execute with speed in coming up with one disc, which we do concur our Ministry of Transport and Ministry of Information again. And if you relate to legislation, this was under the Vehicle Registration and Licensing Act 13 or 14, specifically under Section 24 and 25, which actually mandated that in order for one to be registered, you need to furnish the insurance, you need to furnish the registration book, and now we need to furnish the radio license. So we need to amend the necessary section so that it speaks to the Broadcasting Service Act, in particular Section 38, which makes it mandatory now for you to table that radio license for you to be registered. So I'm very happy that this is coming from this house, and precisely, Honorable Mutero, Madam Speaker, ma'am, we are going to move with speed. Apparently, our permanent secretaries from both ministries have agreed, and now we are seized with the amendment of that particular piece of legislation so that we execute and make sure that you have one disc. Thank you, Honorable Madam Speaker, ma'am.
Supplementary.
Thank you, Honorable Minister.
So vanhu vanga vachizoreactawo vachinyorawo zvakasiyana-siyana. Mumwe anyorawo akati, kubvunza zvisina basa, why not ask why people are being forced to buy radio licenses for their cars? The process to get exemption is too cumbersome to data people. Mumwe akati, there is no radio license, it's free. Mumwe akati, like SA. Mumwewo akanyora akati, dai government yamboita zvema-clean, available, free and functional public toilets. Mumwewo akanyora akati, and also introduce smart payment system kuma-toll gates uko, zvima-queue zvacho peak hour zvanyanya. Mumwewo akanyora akati, zvine chazvinobatsira here izvozvo, forcing people to pay huge sums of money for an insurance which does not equate to amounts being paid. Then mumwewo akati, seriously, discussing disc instead of discussing the need for emergency vehicles, mwari here. Mumwewo akanyoro akati, radio license ngaibviswe because mota dzimwe hadzitorina uye ex-jap haibate ZBC. Then mumwewo ndobva azonyora akati, yes, it's a good idea, but dzikisai mitengo yenyu, haikona kunyanya kuzamurira mafigures enyu please, kuitira kuti munhu wese akwanise kuita payment iri affordable. So muri Zimbabwe munhu nemunhu anga aine maonero ake. So ladies and gentlemen, come through in the comment section muchitiudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi yema vehicle license disc iyi.